Have you ever wondered why Denmark is one of the happiest places to live in the world, even if you're an educator? Meanwhile, in the United States, the education system is falling down around us. More and more educators every single day are leaving the profession. Some aren't even making it through the entire school year. And in fact, it gets worse than that because educators are now encouraging other educators to leave the profession, and to top it all off, the standards to become a teacher are being lowered each and every single day. Can we learn from the Danish? Let's look at it now. Keep watching, because by the end of this video, you're going to have the top 3 things that Denmark does differently. Paulina Fraser here with TRDS. I've been in public education for my entire adult working career. Half of that time has been as a teacher, and half of that time has been an administrator. So I definitely understand your pain points. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, like me on Facebook. Now let's dive in. Number 1, pay. One of the special things about Denmark is that they actually pay their teachers well. Higher salaries than we get here in America. And what's more is those salaries are standardized across their nation. Teachers aren't paid worth a darn in the United States of America. They have bachelor's degrees, they have master's degrees, they have a lot of knowledge, and they have a lot of education, a lot of experience. Why would a teacher want to go to school for all these years and then get paid minimum wage, essentially? Number 2, this is the one that we can have the biggest impact on, and that is work-life balance. People in Denmark really understand the value of that work-life balance. There's more manageable workloads, and when they're not at work, then they're living their lives. Now you juxtapose that to what we have in America, which is we have teachers who are criticized, educators who are criticized for having a life outside of their career. The pressure is huge. In order for this work-life balance to really happen, as educators, we really have to be aware of, yes, I love my students, but I also have a family, and I also am going to be with my family. So do your job, and do your job well, but when you're done with your job in the evening, be with your family. Go out and get some exercise. Go for a walk. Go for a swim. Go for a jog. Go for a family walk. Go for a walk with your husband, your wife, your children, your grandchildren. You're so busy being there for everybody that you need to take a minute and be there for yourself and be there for your family, so that tomorrow morning you can go in and you can be rejuvenated and you can be there for your students. Number 3, respect. Respect predominantly from families, parents. In Denmark, educators are respected, looked up to, and listened to. Wow, how would that be? Whereas in America, there's a serious lack of respect when it comes to teachers. Parents think they know best always, unequivocally, and don't listen to anything we say, even though we are the ones who are trained and qualified to actually help their child. So let's take those 3 things together. When you've got a lack of salary, a lack of respect, and a lack of work-life balance, woo, doggy, that leads to a lot of work dissatisfaction. Let's make a pact right now. Let's make a pact right now. Go outside, get some sunlight on your bodies. Work smarter, not longer. Find that work-life balance.